All right. This is for one of my free folk, John, who participates and interacts and asked me to take a look at this. So he's looking at MTTR. He's in at 21. So that's a super job. I put a stop loss at your entry at this point because you don't want to see a winner turn into a loser. So that's the first move I would make. But you ask me this right here, 2573 is your next resistance based on the daily. Then you got the 20-day hitting there with also some you can see a lot of action around that area. So you get the 20 days. So you're going to hit a little resistance at that 25. You want to see like $30 from what you said, which is not impossible. It's got to close above that 26. Yeah, and if it closes above that 26, it can start its march up. So I don't think it's impossible to see the 30. I don't know anything about the company or the fundamentals or the fundamentals. Looks just based on the pattern, it looks like it's one of those meme stocks. But this is what you have to watch. Obviously, the momentum is in you have bearish momentum. We could hopefully put in a higher low and show us a trend reversal. And that would give us more information. It's fairly strong bars. Tested it a couple of times, these lows. So I'd be comfortable. I mean, you have nothing to lose at this point. You're in the money by $3. That gap is a little disconcerting. But hopefully that gap's above your entry. So if you could even take a little risk, put your stop down here, see if it closes that gap and continues its march up. But the 60-minute momentum is obviously bullish. If you get a break of yesterday's high today, you're probably going to take out that 20-day. And I just want to see what she looks like over the week. It's a good strong bar. Say 2750 is not a hard run. I mean, maybe you could look to take that 2750 or start squeezing your stop at 2750 if you don't understand what I'm saying right now. I think you should have your stop at a break even, so you're in a riskless trade. The trade looks strong, and as the patterns change, you could move your stop up. So I think you're going to hit resistance around 2750, right around here. And then you could just go trail under the bars as they move up. And then if it turns around, it'll pop you out and you take your profits. Or you could play with the whole piece and let it run. But I'm risk adverse and I like to put money in the bank. So I would just squeeze my stops and try to follow this thing up. If it runs, then super. You just keep following up with your stops. I would probably follow it up on my 60 or 30 minute, probably my 60, and just trail behind my 60 once it hits that 27 range. So anyway, that's my view on MTTR. Good luck with the trade there, Mr. John. Thanks for all your participation. Hope to hear from you again.